So here's a great way to just boost vitamin C into your daily diet. I have our immunity boost, which is rich in vitamin C and has a mushroom mix. And I just add it to cold water. Nice and easy there. And then for the extra boost is we have our Camu, which is a wonderful berry that grows down in the Peruvian Amazon and is one of the highest sources of natural vitamin C that you can find of any food. So I'm just putting in a ½ teaspoon for this to boost it up. And that will give you way more than your daily vitamin C dosage that you need. Then I use an immersion blender, or you can use a whisk or a spoon. It'll leave a little bit of sediment in there, but it gets it going pretty good. Just mixing it all up. Gets a little frothy, try to get it down on the bottom, but there'll be some sediment. You kind of want to drink the sediment because that's the actual nutrition that breaks down a bit. Then I add just a few ice cubes, cool it down. I have a nice cold refreshing drink to drink. Cheers.